Hello, everyone. Today we are looking at something very special that is happening in our country. You see, for us Indians, gold is not just some investment, it is an emotion. It is Sridhan, and it is our ultimate security. But lately, have you noticed? This gold is no longer just sitting idle in our Gordridge lockers or bank vaults. It has become a massive engine for credit. From the local jewelry shop to big shot NBFCs, everyone is tapping into this. We are talking about a shift where your family jewels are literally powering the next business boom. It's a total game changer, no? We'll see how this silent wealth is finally coming out to play in the formal economy. It's quite a scene, I tell you.
Let's talk numbers, because the scale is simply mind-boggling. Do you know that Indian households are sitting on more than 25,000 tons of gold? That is roughly 11% of the total gold ever mined in the whole world. For years, this was idle wealth. It was just there for emergencies or weddings. But now, with the organized gold loan sector coming up, people are realizing they can take a loan against this gold for their business needs or even for child's education. Why take a high-interest personal loan when you have gold sitting at home? It is better to use what you have, isn't it? This is exactly how the silent wealth engine has started humming. Earlier, if you needed money urgently, you'd go to the local moneylender or sahukar, but he would charge you loot mar interest rates. Now, look at the big players like Muthoot and Manappuram, and even our regular banks. They have modernized the whole thing. You walk in with your bangles, and in 30 minutes flat, the money is in your account. No tension of endless paperwork or chakkat of the bank branches. They use high-tech carat meters to check purity and give you a fair deal. This formalization is what is driving the credit boom. It's very transparent now, and that's why even the middle class is not feeling shame in taking gold loans anymore. Now, don't think you can get the full value of the gold as a loan. There is something called LTV, loan to value. The RBI has fixed this at 75%, so if your gold is worth 1 lakh, the bank will give you 75,000 rupees max. This is to protect the bank if gold prices suddenly fall down. It's a very safe adjustment for both sides. The best part? The interest is only on the amount you use. For our entrepreneur friends, this is fantastic for working capital. You don't need a heavy credit score. Your gold is your good name. It's a very straightforward give and take system. No complications at all. This is where the real story lies. Small and medium enterprises, our MSMEs, are the backbone of India. But often they struggle to get timely credit from big banks. They say, "Sir, your collateral is not enough." Well, now these business owners are using their family gold to fund their orders. Whether it is buying raw materials or shifting to a bigger workshop, gold loans are providing that quick chatbot capital. It is helping them grow without falling into a debt trap. This credit boom is actually a bunyad, or foundation, for thousands of small businesses across the country. It is making them Atman Nirbhar in the truest sense. Everything is going digital, so why not gold? Now you can buy digital gold for as low as 100 rupees on your mobile apps. No tension of safety or lockers. And the best part? You can take a loan against this digital gold too. Fintech startups are making it so easy that the younger generation, the Gen Z and millennials, are also getting into this. They are investing on the go. This phygital model, physical plus digital, is expanding the market like anything. It's not just for the aunties and uncles anymore. The tech-savvy crowd is also using gold as a smart financial tool. Very clever, no?
But wait, it's not all sab kuch acha hai. There are risks too. The biggest risk is the volatility of gold prices. If the price of gold drops sharply, the LTV ratio gets disturbed. Then the bank might ask you to pay more margin or give more gold. That's a margin call. If you can't pay, they might have to auction your jewelry. That is a very dukhdayak situation for any Indian family. Also, the RBI is keeping a very baaz ki nazar on these NBFCs to make sure they are following the rules. So, as an investor or borrower, you must do your homework and not take more than you can repay.
To wrap it up, the gold loan market is on track to reach 10 lakh crore very soon. It is no longer a silent engine, it is roaring. For entrepreneurs and investors, the message is clear. Gold is a high-performing asset class that provides liquidity when you need it most. India is leading the way in showing the world how to use traditional wealth for modern growth. So keep an eye on this space. Whether you are doing the needful by investing or just observing the market, this is a trend you cannot ignore. Thank you for joining me. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments. Cello!